Presenting the top 5 mixed budget laptops of 2021. Don't forget to like and subscribe. At number 5. The HP Stream Laptop PC. The HP Stream Laptop PC comes at a great price point and also comes with a free 1-year subscription to the Microsoft Office suite of products, and incredibly it also has 4 gigs of DDR Ram, allowing for faster loading times. Depending on which model you go for under $300, you won't find a better Windows laptop than the HP Stream 11. Coming in at number 4. The Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 laptop is one of the top picks for business users. With powerful RAM and lightning fast processing speeds along with an 11-hour battery life, this is one of the top laptops on the market at the moment. However, some unlucky customers have experienced issues with the trackpad. A shame, especially given the fairly high-end cost of $1,270 for the HD version. Overall, this laptop is still one of the best laptops for the money. The base model includes an Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, Intel's UHD integrated graphics, and a 1920 by 1200 non-touch display. But the most exciting feature of the Tiger Lake line is Intel's new Iris Xe integrated graphics. Another highlight is the 1610 display with a 91.5% screen-to-body ratio, which gives you more vertical space than most consumer laptops, which are 16:9. You'll notice the difference. At number 3. The Apple MacBook Air 11. Which we chose a refurbished version for the same great Apple performance but a much more reasonable price tag. The Apple MacBook Air 11-inch refurbished laptop is great because it weighs just 2.38 pounds. It is loaded with the M1 chipset from Apple, which is the fastest chipset yet. Here is a quote from Apple on the new M1. M1 has the fastest CPU we've ever made. With that kind of processing speed, MacBook Air can take on new extraordinarily intensive tasks like professional quality editing and action-packed gaming. But the 8-core CPU on M1 isn't just up to 3.5 times faster than the previous generation 2. It balances high-performance cores with efficiency cores that can still crush everyday jobs while using just a tenth of the power. Coming in at number 2. The HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 is now more powerful and feature-rich than ever. Just when you think this HP premium line couldn't possibly get any better, HP takes it to a whole new level in 2021. This latest addition to the HP line brings in key updates and new features while also bringing back all the features we already know and love. Rocking an impressive brand new processor, the Intel Core i7 processor, which is an absolute powerhouse of a chip, as well as the flashy new Iris Plus integrated graphics and a RAM that's doubled, the HP Spectre X360 can contend with its big and bulky peers rocking discrete graphics cards. However, other updates also allow it to truly exemplify the best qualities of both laptops and tablets. To start, the HP Spectre X360 is breathtaking on the outside, keeping everything thin and light. It also now boasts a stunning 4K touch display for the lower-end configurations, which gives the more casual users the option for glorious 4K viewing that only its higher-end configuration owners have enjoyed before. At number 1. Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro. Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro is Lenovo's top-end laptop, with svelte looks and solid specs given its price. The Yoga converts to tablet mode with its space-age hinge mechanism, and boasts a super light, stylish and ultra-portable chassis. It is also available in Windows 8.1 if you're afraid of making the jump to Windows 10. The Lenovo Yoga 9i comes in strong at the tail end of 2020 as one of the best laptops of the year, giving us an early look at what Intel Evo is capable of while keeping things stylish and functional. Though it's a bit on the pricey side, especially with higher-end specs, it's hard to argue that the extra expense is pretty justified given the price. On performance, the Yoga 9i's 11th generation i7 outperforms just about everything else from this year, falling just short of the XPS 13 with 11th generation Intel Evo on CPU performance, but beating it in terms of its graphics performance. This concludes our video, so if you made it here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.